10 photos of people before and after smiling. Through a smile, you can change a whole mood and a day of a person. Not only their day, but even your day gets brighter when you smile. Though it's a very simple thing, it is very powerful and has a lot of positivity. Through one of his projects, Jack Weinstein had tested to know if this is true. So he had asked people to smile and had captured their photos. Before telling them to smile, also he had taken a photo of them. And through these pictures, you will also understand how powerful a smile is. A picture of a man who had been walking home along a lane with his friends in Nubra Valley, Ladakh in Jammu and Kashmir, India. To Board Panda, Jay had shared about his project. He had said that he loves this project because through it, he can face his fear and go and talk to people whom he doesn't know, and that he learns how wrong his assumptions are. And it reminds him that there are things people have in common. A little girl from Nairobi, Kenya, he spotted while going around seeing the shops and houses. The girl had been playing with her mother and had smiled when he asked her to. He had been to many countries, had captured pictures of people. In 2013, he had started the project and is still doing it. It's been 7 years. He had said that he had spent a lot of time in India and that he leads groups of a few numbers of people. A lot of his images are from India, and also he had taken the project to other countries like Nepal, Kenya, Singapore and Australia, and he wishes to take his project to all the countries in the world. A pretty girl from Kaksar, Gujarat, India. She had been playing outside her house. He had said that all the places he had visited were good and even the people had been really friendly. When he had approached to talk to them, most of the people had talked to him and had said that many had easily smiled when he asked them to, and every moment was joyful. He had said that though there's no message to convey through the project, there's a lot to say. You can check out his Instagram where he shares a lot of his work. This girl had been having a little chat with her friends, and she's from Chatak village in Ladakh in Jammu and Kashmir in India. A man at his house in one afternoon. He's from Mututari near Embu in the eastern province of Kenya. A little girl from Leh, Ladakh in Jammu and Kashmir, India. She had been playing with her friends on the streets. The man from Jorawa, Rajasthan, India had been in a line at a post office. He had been there by 7 am, but the office opens at 11 am. There, they change all 500 and 1000 rupee notes to newly printed notes. The little boy had been playing around with his brothers after returning from school. He is from Nirdoi, a village at the banks of the Ganges River, West Bengal, India. The boy had been playing with his family. He is from Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh in India. A lady who had been exploring the 1300-year-old Taiyuan temple in Quanzhou, Fujian, China. Leave a comment below saying what do you think about these photos.